Right, I'm off in the X3M competition to a meet in Liverpool. Now, first ever time I'm experiencing one of these. Also, we're going to have a bit of a go with this 350 horsepower Stage 3 ST200. So we'll see what that's like. But yeah, let's go. Bloody hell, that's quick. Go! Bloody hell, that ST? No way! No way! Go! Oh my god, that ST is just ruthless. Go! So just arrived in Liverpool now. We've got a lovely frozen black F80 M3 here. Can't really see because the lighting's awful. Got another M4 here. Comp. Again, you can't really see because of the lighting. This one looks to be in like, oh, it's an M3 actually, my bad. The lighting's that bad I didn't even know if it was a 2 or 4 door. 5 door. But yeah, got some massive carbon fibre M performance tips. M3 comp. Here again, we've got another M3 comp. This one looks to be in like a black, yep. Again, this has got the M Performance exhaust, it looks like. Competition wheels. Then next to that, got an Audi S3. This one you can see a bit better because it's white. That's black Golf R as well. Again, lighting's awful. But that definitely is a Golf R. Got an i30N here as well. A GLA 45 AMG. M235i. And a few others. Oh, we've got a GP2 here as well. Didn't even notice that. It's a mini GP2. These are rare. But yeah, as you can see, the lighting down that way is a bit shit, but up here it's a bit better. It's a lovely blue E92 M3 there as well, but yeah, quite a nice lineup here in Liverpool. Little mini meet going on. Lighting's not the best, but yeah, let's see where the night takes us. You can't see very well, but there's a Toyota Sora here. There's your proof. These are meant to be really rare. Loving the wheels on this as well. Yeah, that looks sick. Big fan of that, from what you can actually see of it. just actually noticed as well, this is a Yellow Night Edition GLA 45 AMG. As you can tell, it's got the yellow detailing on the spoiler, but you can't really tell because, like I said, the lighting is awful. But yeah, Yellow Night Edition, really rare car, these. Right people, there we have it. I think it's gone down quite well. I was really surprised with this and the ST200 before. Now this is 510 horsepower. The ST200 was a hybrid turbo, stage 3, 350 horse, but had no rear seats and weighed literally nothing. But the ST just took off. I was really surprised. Keeps bloody revving it. Give me a second. Yeah, I'm really surprised that this got absolutely wasted by that ST. But it's power to weight ratio at the end of the day. But I hope you've enjoyed today's video. A bit of a random one. I've been a bit all over the place today doing random things, but I thought I'd put it together for you guys. Stay tuned for plenty more.